VMware Marketing, and today really happy that you're at VMworld 2018 Hands-on Labs. So hi everybody, just to do a quick introduction, Nicole actually was the lucky winner of our Hands-on Labs Spring Refresh promotion. Take a lab, win a free trip to VMworld. And here we have Nicole at VMworld. Nicole, could I ask you to do a little bit introduction of yourself, what you do, and how did you get into high tech in the first place?
Hi, my name is Nicole Williams. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina. My background is in database admin. I with SQL Server, Oracle, a little bit of Sybase. I got into VMware just playing online, and I started learning about virtualization. And I stumbled on the labs and was like, "Oh my God, I got to learn this stuff!" And voila, I'm here.
Wow, that's awesome. That's great. And so after you took the labs actually, I should say. I know you took a lot of labs. Can you tell us how do you feel about hands-on labs and what is your favorite lab?
Well, first of all, VMware's hands-on labs are amazing. I would tell everyone definitely go out and visit the hands-on labs. My favorite labs actually are uh, Horizon. I'm really just incredible. It's just incredible how much is happening with virtual workspaces, and just everything out there. So it's just a lot going on in a virtual space.
Awesome. And after you took the Horizon hands-on lab, did you feel like you actually learned a lot from it? It gives you the instructions you needed. I just want to know what is your experience?
I feel like I learned a lot about what I didn't know that was going on. So I really feel like it's just keeping my skill set fresh and new. And so that's the best part about these hands on labs. No matter how long you've been doing tech, it's always something new that you can learn. And that's the part I love the most about it.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now you are at VMworld. Can you share with us how many labs you have taken in the past couple of days? And how did you feel about our brand new labs we just released here?
Actually, I've taken 8 and I'm still I'm still taking more. I've actually been in the labs more than the other things. I went up to VM Village, and played some of the games. Oh my God, they had like all the cool games up there. But you know, I like the labs. I came here to learn, and I really have to say, I really am blown away by the labs.
That is fantastic. 8 labs and still counting. Love it. Love all the feedback. And wow. So thank you again for coming to VMworld. And I hope that your experience has been fantastic so far.
Yes, I am. I'm completely humbled and blessed that I won. This is like a dream come true. I'm a true techie, so just the fact that I get to come out here and learn and play and meet all these incredible people, I feel like I'm the lucky one. So thank you.
Awesome. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you, everybody, for watching.